If you ever had customers constantly asking where's my order, adding an order tracking page to your Shopify store is the perfect solution to keep them updated and happy, to keep them with the security that the product is on the go. So let's dig on how we can do this. First of all, we want to understand how the order tracking works. By the end of this tutorial, we'll be having a fully functional tracking page will improve a lot of customer experience and reduces support emails. So first of all, here we have the why adding an order tracking page. So before we start, why is this important? So customer satisfaction, of course, it gives your buyers peace of mind, but I think that one of the best solutions that nobody noticed is the save times, because it reduces the number of where's my order inquiries, and you don't have to tell them one by one what happens with their specific orders. And lastly, the professionalism. So a tracking page makes your store looks more credible. So now that you are convinced, let's get started. First of all, I needed to sign in directly into my Shopify app store so I can make sure that here I have an actual store. You have a link down below in the description, of course, you want to start totally for free and then having a huge deal for the next 3 months. Now that we have access to the Shopify, let's get started, of course, and adding a custom page. If you already have a store, in my case, here's my website that we're just getting started. Here's my menu. But into this menu, I wanted to add in a specific page where I do have the order tracking info section. So for that, let's go back into the dashboard. Into the dashboard, let's locate the left side that says online store. Directly here into online store, I'm going to look out here for this sub menus pages section. Here, let's click into pages, go for add a page into the upper side, and here into the title, we can name this track your order like this, and hit into save. Make sure this one is visible, of course. So let's hit now into save. Now into the content editor, we'll be adding the tracking widget, but first you need a tracking application or a code snippet. So to do this process, the Shopify App Store will tracking applications at the after ship. There's a pass-up panel. There's a lot of applications that can be helping you to use them and to import this directly into our page. So for that, let's go back directly into my sales channel or into my dashboard. Directly in here, let's locate apps. And here I'm going to click here and let's type the word tracking and search this tracking in the Shopify App Store. Now searching this directly into the App Store will be giving us a lot of applications that we can use for tracking our content. So here we have the parcel panel order tracking. There's the track 1 to 3 order tracking, and there's the 17 track order tracking. Let's try it out with something which is free to install and has a lot of reviews. For example, the parcel panel order tracking. This one is totally for free, has a free trial available, and has really strong ratings. It's totally depending on if you like the application, if you like the pricing and the rating. So let's hit here into install. Once you are into the dashboard of the installation process of your website, let's start by adding the parcel panel, customizing this, and add this directly into our page that we have just created. So let's make sure that we add the tracking page directly into our store. So let's go for add tracking page. Make sure that this one has now been imported directly from the main menu into navigation. Click here into main menu. Click here into add menu item. And into the name, let's go for track your order. Now into searched or paste linked, we can look out for pages and look out for the one that says track your order. Now something else here, you can see that we have this website where we can check out the view the tracking of the order, which that means that automatically this information is going to be imported. So I can link this page and put it into my menu and go for add. Now I'm going to hit into save. Once we have successfully done this, let's go into our store to preview and if this one is available into my website. Once I reload my page, I should see here that I do have or I might have access to the tracking your order. So if you don't see this, you might want to go back and make sure that the menu item is active. Once we have now actually have this process done, let's click into track your order. To make sure this worked, let's go back into our store. Let's go into orders. And into my orders, I'm going to look out for one product that we do have available so I can make sure that my order can be appearing in here. So tracking your owner with the email and phone number, hitting to track, and here it should be appearing to your order. And that's it. They have successfully added the track order status into your website. We have now checked it out. This one actually worked. And really important, if you want to see if this one actually works into your website, you might want to go directly into your store. Check out the option on the left side that says orders. Choose one order tracking device or information so you can copy it and paste it into tracking your order site. So once you have added the order number as well as the email or the phone number that matches the customer that make the purchase, then choose track, and here down here should be appearing your tracking of the order information. There you have it. Really easily solutioned. It's simple, effective, and will keep your customers coming back. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you, and see you next time.